Hi, so this is actually a silk screen print that I did this year, and since not everybody knows what this is, I decided to do a short demonstration. The first step in creating almost any print is the design. For this print, I've designed a simple symbol in the shape of a circle. Here you can see me outlining the design so that it's more defined. To create a stencil for printing, I used a craft knife to cut out my design. Any areas cut out on the paper will show up in the final print, so it's important to only cut areas of the design that you want printed. To set up the printing area, lay down newspaper to protect any surfaces. Then lay down the paper you want to print on and position the stencil on top of that. Then place a silkscreen over the paper and stencil. For silkscreen printing, use fabric screen printing ink. Place dabs of ink above the stencil and use a squeegee to push and pull ink over the screen. The mesh in the screen distributes the ink evenly to the holes in your stencil, while the remainder of the stencil keeps ink away from the print. Once the ink has been evenly and thoroughly spread over the stencil, carefully separate the stencil, the print, and the screen. At this point, you have a finished print. If you have a more complex design like I did, you can wait for the ink to dry and print more layers of color on top. For this design, I used 4 stencils to layer 4 separate colors to create the print you see now.